He's the most compelling and captivating college basketball player since fill in the blank.
I've never seen a college basketball player like that. I've seen players able to do things, if that's Allen Iverson off the dribble, and really create a culture. But this kid is pulling up from a couple steps over half court, RD. Those are the shots you practice when you're a kid. Those aren't things that you do within the context of a game.
I'm going to bring you back to the Wayback Machine. He's the most captivating player since Pistol Pete. If Pistol Pete Maravich played as a freshman, he would be doing these type of things. Pistol Pete averaged 44 points a game as a sophomore. I mean, his flair for the game, his vision, his feel. To me, Pistol Pete had to run or even back in the day. I know it's black and white, but Pistol Pete, that dude was pretty good, kind of like Trae Young.